Well, the Christmas weekend, there definitely is red on the screen, but it's not a good start for the equity markets. So do remember, we're piggybacking on cues where across the globe it has been rather tentative, with a downward bias for the US markets as well as for Asia, and it looks like it's that kind of sentiment that's prevailing for the Indian markets as well. So getting off the week to a weak start, down by about 0.5% for the Nifty, holding out around the 13,690 mark thereabouts for the Sensex as well, and the opening ticks indicating a downtick of about 200 odd points. You've got the broader markets that are seeing a very similar momentum. So you've got the mid as well as the small cap indices. They're already down by about 0.5%. So safe to say that market breadth is definitely skewed in favor of the losing side. And where are the main pain points? Well, it continues to be those PSU banks that are reeling under pressure, not to mention the PSE index, so all of those public sector units. You've also got the Nifty Bank that's down about 375 points, so around the 30,300 mark on the Nifty Bank. Financials by and large, autos, media, real estate, consumption, IT, pretty much everything is in the red today. You've only got Pharma, which is your lone soldier, in the green, and that too showing you a very mild move on the upside. Let's take it straight then to those index losers. Tata Motors down 2.5%, ICICI Bank struggling around the 506 mark, Axis Bank in the red, Gail, Hindalco, ONGC as well as IOC losing steam. Something like HDFC as well as M&M are down, BPCL is in the red, Bajaj Finance, take a look at UPL down 1% to 455, and Eicher Motors too is in the red. On the flip side, it's a handful of stocks that are managing to hold out. L&T leading the way at 1309, 2% higher. RIL, by the way, is outperforming 2010. Got Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's and Adani Ports. Those are some of the stocks in the green. But we've slipped quite decisively. The Nifty Bank has already declined over 350 points to trade below Friday's low, and your frontline index as well as in the red. To the newsmakers, Lupin in focus on the back of the approval for the cholesterol drug from the US FDA. RIL in the green as the company and BP have announced that first gas from Asia's deepest project. Colgate came out with some of the key takeaways from its analyst meet. They're going to focus on driving profitable growth. CLSA has an outperform rating. PVR, they're looking at a fundraise to come in. Oberoi Realty, the subsidiary has purchased a property in Mumbai for about 1,040 crores. Within the broader markets as well, there's lots of activity. So let's just run you through. First up, the losers. DHFL, SpiceJet, Hindustan Copper, that's been on an absolute winning spree last week. CG Consumer, Canara Bank, Central Bank, Bombay Dyeing, Oil India, Tata Motors, DVR, Karur Vysya Bank, M&M Financial, Gail, PNB Housing, Ratnamani Metals, all losing out. And some green being witnessed in Maharashtra Seamless, Future group of stocks, all very active. Vakrangi, JK Paper, Lotus Labs as well as India Mart, that continues to look